Hey friends, today we're gonna make something cool. We'll create a unique character, kind of like an influencer, using ComfyUI. ComfyUI is really powerful and super easy to use. It's a stable diffusion user interface, but with a cool twist, it uses nodes. The best part, we don't need to set it up on our own server. Thanks to TensorArt, ComfyUI is available for free on their website. So I've created a special template that lets you make your own unique character using TensorArt ComfyUI. Check out the link in the description to get started. Once you visit the link, just click on Try and then upload a photo. This could be someone else's photo or even your own. Remember, it won't create an exact face of the photo you upload. Instead, it'll create a unique character based on the face in your uploaded photo. Right here in the interface, you can type in any prompt you like for the image you want to create. After typing your prompt, just hit the Generates button and wait a few seconds. Awesome. Now you can see the result we've generated. I hope this sparks some creative ideas for you. Okay, let's keep the creativity flowing. Now let's try uploading even more images to see what we can create. And guys, check out this other cool feature, abstract prompts. This can give you a prompt for the photo you upload, so you can use it to generate prompts as well. Well, now you've got these amazing images. You can kickstart your own influencer account or even use these photos in so many other creative ways to earn. I've taken photos from this Instagram account to craft my unique character. Feel free to explore Instagram, find an account you like, and use those photos for your own creative projects. And don't worry about legal issues. The tool doesn't replicate the exact face from the uploaded photo, so it keeps things original and worry-free. And don't forget guys, in TensorArt, you can create your own template just like I did. Feel free to use mine as a starting point, improve on it, and explore even more creative possibilities. If you're just starting out, don't worry, it's easy to experiment here. Try changing the LoRa and base model and have fun adding other nodes like upscale and more. It's a great way to learn and see what you can create. I hope you guys learned something new from my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.